figure out that is none of my business. Y'all, so I'm literally just getting back from the gym. I have had this hat on, a hat. I've been wearing a hat since like Tuesday. It is now Friday. I'm over it, girl. Okay, I'm ready to have my hair out, looking good. The thing is I am in desperate need of a haircut, and I am 4 weeks post relaxer, girl. I do my relaxers every 5 weeks. We're about to wash this hair. As of late, my go-to shampoo has been the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Y'all, I absolutely love this shampoo. I also really like the conditioner. I have the baby ones because, girl, Pixie, but I have repurchased this like 3 times, so going forward I will be repurchasing the big one just because I just love it. Like, it's my go-to shampoo. Even when I try other shampoos, like, I like them, but I find myself always going back to grab this. And then, y'all, I am so much in love with this Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Conditioner. Girl, it is so good. Now, they do recommend to leave it on the hair for like, I think 3 minutes, I believe. It's not on the back of this, but it's on the trial kit box that I purchased because I wanted to try multiple products. And so this will be my 3rd time using this. And again, y'all, it's just still so much product in here because I have a Pixie. So that's like one of my hacks, girl. If you are wanting to try out a brand or try like products or whatever, and you have shorter hair, girl, get the trial kit. You know what I'm saying? See, dabble, see if you like it. But I will absolutely 1000% will be repurchasing this. So I know it's only like 2 to 3 minutes that they recommend. However, I'm gonna wash my hair really good. I'm gonna put this conditioner on there with the shower cap, and I'm actually gonna get in the shower, like do my whole shower routine and everything, and then I'm just gonna rinse it out in the shower because I feel like I need a little bit longer than 2 to 3 minutes. Like, I needed to like really sit in my hair and penetrate. Honestly, I'm in desperate need of a really good, like, deep condition. When I say really good deep condition, I mean like letting it sit for like an hour or so, you know what I mean? So we don't have time for that right now. That's not the move that we're going for. So I'm about to just use these 2 products really quickly, rinse it out in the shower, and then we'll be back.
I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas best I put my heart on ice, I can't breathe. Mama put my heart on ice, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can get these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my.
Alright, we're all out of the shower. Hair is shampooed and conditioned. I am going to go in with the Amika Hydro Rush Leave-In Conditioner. This is another product that I just really love from Amika. It's just, I don't know, my hair is just so soft, and just make sure I spray that all in. I try not to miss any steps because, like I told you guys earlier, I am in deep need of a deep conditioner. And then I also go in with, y'all, I absolutely love, do you hear me? Love this Kristen S blow dry mist. It does say blow dry mist, however, the directions tells you that you can use it on wet hair to blow dry or for thermal styling. So since I put so much heat on my hair, girl, I would use this like before sitting under the dryer and also before I like flat iron my hair or put like the curls in it or whatever. And it says ultra lightweight, split end smoothing, shine enhancing. Girl, yes, it will shine and enhance your hair. And then it says cuts drying time, but I always sit under the dryer for an hour, so I'm not really sure like if it cuts the drying time. And then it says heat protecting up to 450 degrees. And that's what we want. We want to see the claim on how many degrees will it go up to. And it says 450 degrees, okay? Then we have this Nairobi. Girl, this is like my favorite foaming lotion situation. It's almost time for a relaxer. My hair is not going to lay as flat, but I'm very much open to trying other foaming lotions. It's just that whenever I try other ones, I'm always going back to the Nairobi. So yeah, I'm just about to mold my hair down now. And a couple weeks ago, I did, oh, my hair is so long. My God, it's so long, like baby bundles. Girl, I don't even know what to do with this. Honestly, truly. And you can just kind of see how it's like not laying flat. It's literally like, you see how it's pressing back up? I have my fresh relaxer. It doesn't do that. Look at that. I am growing my hair out to have like a heavier bang situation, but I don't even think I want to entertain that today. It's just, I don't know. I don't think it's going to do what I want it to do.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside it, in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine.
But this is basically how I mold my hair. And I just leave the back flat as it can be, child, because the only wrapping strips I use, because they're long, they're on the thicker side, and that's just what I prefer. And I use a lot of these, y'all. And I go around the top and underneath just to kind of help it lay flat at the top. And my goal is to have like everything covered, so it should be no hair out. And then we're going to sit under the dryer for an hour. So the dryer I use is this Andis bonnet dryer, and it's basically like you can carry it, super small and dainty. You can store it easily. And I typically do on hot, I do hot and high for an hour. Hey Siri, set the timer for 1 hour.
1 hour starting now.
On a yai, that was the longest hour of my life. Like, they typically don't drag on like that, but for whatever reason, it drug on today. Y'all, no! God dang nail. I was not curling my hair today. Oh, that is insane. I've never done that before. Y'all, if I can't fix this, and this is like a good mold to wear down, that's just gonna bother me. Can't y'all just tell that little doop, the little doop right there? It's a little doop. I don't know what to do, like. I do know what to do. I'm gonna put a little bit of this back on there, this Nairobi. Y'all, I've never done that before. Is my hair still wet? What the heck? I feel like my hair is still wet, y'all. It's like a little damp. I sat under there for an hour. Taking that same wrap strip that was just on there, and I'm gonna put it under my head. And I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and hopefully, y'all, we are troubleshooting together because that has literally never happened. Let's see what the back is looking like. Yeah, it's looking like I expected it to look. Very wavy. It gives it just like a little bit of character. All right, so now my makeup and everything is done. I'm gonna go in with this Care wax stick. Now I like this little thing, and I just kind of go just right here in the back just to kind of help lay that down. It's not going to be perfect, but it's better than, you know, just leaving it regular. It just helps lay it down just a little bit better. Honestly, y'all, the back is none of my business. Next, I go in with this Nexus Nourish and Repair hair oil. And I just do like a couple pumps of that. And I don't put this on rough at all. Just like very lightly, just go over the top layer. Just so it can add a little bit of shine, baby, because it's never giving dusty. Ever, okay? It already wasn't giving dusty, but it's just gonna make sure that it pops, okay? And then I'm really into hair perfumes. So I go in with this Lemon Gourmand, what is this? Cream Brulee Hair and Body Mist. And I just kind of give it a couple squirts in the hair. Sometimes on my clothes. I haven't put anything else on today, so I just wear this all over. Here's the mold. I'm gonna throw some glasses on. I don't know if I want these pink ones today or I ain't really feeling these pink ones. Let me see what else I got on my shelf. So I can either do these or these. I love me a good cat eye. I think these are really cute. It shows all the details. You can still see like my blush and everything. So this is what we're doing today. Ooh, yeah. It is a few days later, and it is definitely time for me to throw some curls in my hair just so to give it a little bit of oomph and not be just so blah. So I'm just gonna comb everything through, and then have to make sure that you are protecting your strands. I don't care if you have 2 inches or 20, baby, protect your strands with a heat protectant. So I'm going in with the Kristen S Blow Dry Mist. This is the same products I showed you guys earlier in the video, but I just want to reiterate, like, girl, protect your strands. You can use this while sitting under the dryer, and you can use it for thermal heating as well. So I absolutely love this product. It's a good like 2-in-1, and it protects your hair up to 450 degrees. I'm very generous and make sure that I like get it all in there. Feeling like let's go all the way up. Yeah, definitely, yes. So this is what we're gonna do, and then I'm just gonna start in the back. Y'all, I like to just go in and comb through as quickly as I can, because I don't always go back through and comb before I flat iron, which, I mean, y'all know that's what the professionals do, but y'all, I'm not claiming to be that. So I'm just gonna go in and bump, literally just picking up hair and bumping it under.
Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act.
Okay, then once I get to the top, whenever I wear my hair like this, I have to decide, like, do I want to just kind of do like a burly bump and just kind of have it coming down in my face, or if I want to give it a little curl. Now, if I give it a curl and want my hair to go in like all different type of directions, you're going to literally take the piece of hair that you want to work with, grab it, bump, and slide it in the direction that you want it to go. So you see how it's already kind of laying that way, and then manipulate it, move your fingers to have it go that way, if that's what you want to do, right? So again, grab your hair, bump it, and slide it in the direction you want it to go, and it will do that. But I think I'm just gonna have mine just kind of going all straight for today with a slight bump.
Damn, tell me where did all the magic go. I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong.
Oh, this is cute. I like how this piece, I wish I had a piece over here that's coming.
Worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in.
It's that easy, and then you can finger comb. Or if you have like a wide tooth comb, I would not use a comb like this because I feel like it would just really comb the curls out. But if you have like a wide tooth comb or like something like this, to just kind of, you know, comb through your curls a little bit. But again, my nails are pretty long, so I can just do this whole little number a little bit. So just go in like this, and it just looks better. You can lay this down. You can put like a scarf around it or whatever if you want, but this is just what I do. It looked the best. I'm not gonna even hold y'all, but I can't over process my hair, so I'm not gonna like throw a relaxer on it until at least 5 weeks. And then I'm just gonna clean up my sides here, and I'm gonna use the So Slick. This is really for like braiding hair, and then I go in with a eyebrow spoolie, because I feel like it's like just enough for edges, like for real, like, you know, just go in. All right, and then just do the other side. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Nexus oil, just like 1 drop, just to kind of give my hair a little bit of shine. Glasses. And that is pretty much it. That is how I style my hair and wash day and all the things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's not that I don't